In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy S&P 500 ETF Charles Schwab. By the end, you'll feel confident setting up your account, choosing the right S&P 500 ETF, placing your order, and tracking your investment inside Schwab. First, make sure you have a Schwab brokerage account that's funded. You'll need cash available in the account before you can trade. If you've just transferred money in, keep in mind that deposits can take a little time to settle, and you can only buy with funds that are available. A quick check of your cash balance in the Accounts section will confirm you're ready to go. Next, decide which S&P 500 ETF you want to buy. ETFs are funds that track an index and trade like a stock, so they're easy to buy and sell during market hours. Popular choices include the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, ticker VOO, and the SPDR S&P 500 ETF Trust, ticker SPY. Both aim to mirror the performance of the S&P 500. Some investors at Schwab also consider SCHX, which tracks a large-cap index that's highly correlated with the S&P 500, though it's slightly broader. One important note, Schwab doesn't support fractional shares for ETFs, so plan to buy whole shares only. Check the current price and your available cash to decide how many shares fit your budget. When you're ready to place the trade on the Schwab website, log in and head to the Trade tab. Choose Stocks and ETFs, then type the ticker symbol VOO, SPI, or SCHX into the symbol box. Select Buy, enter the number of shares, and choose your order type. A market order buys immediately at the current available price, which is simple and fast during market hours. A limit order lets you set the maximum price you're willing to pay, giving you more control over execution price. Just remember, it will only fill if the market reaches your limit. Review your details and click Place Order. ETFs trade during normal market hours, and if you submit an order when the market is closed, it will typically queue for the next session. After submitting, you'll see a confirmation screen. Once the order executes, the shares will appear in your account under Positions, and you can track performance from your account's dashboard. You can also revisit your order history to review execution details. As a final tip, ETFs like VOO and SPY provide broad U.S. market exposure in a single trade, and Schwab's research tools can help you compare funds by fees, performance, and strategy. Most online ETF trades at Schwab carry a $0 commission, helping you keep more of your money invested.